Hi, my name is Dat, and this is my project 11. So this is my file structure. This is my main activity. This is my email activity. This is my main activity layout file. And this is my email activity layout file. And this is my string file. And then I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate the program. So I'll go to the UCO Computer Science webpage first. And here it is. And then I will enter a phone number. And then I will call that number. Now it's calling. Now I'm going to go back. Now we'll try to send an email to my student email. And then now I'll check my email, hit refresh, and here is the email that I just sent out. So that's it for my project 11. In this project, the additional feature that I added is that I can attach a file to my email. So if I click on this paperclip icon right here, I can select which file I want to attach. So I'll just select this, and then I'll hit send. And then it'll attach the file. I'll hit send again. And now I'm going to go back to my email and I'll refresh. Refresh one more time. And there it is. The email sent with the file attached. And that's it for my project 11. Thank you for listening.